Okay, let us see the board flat problem. Problem is g of s equal to k s square by 1 plus 0.2s into 1 plus 0.02s. Okay, the radians are over frequency or cross over frequency is 5 radians per second. These two data are very important data to determine the whole board flat problems. Okay. In first step, you just replace s equal to j into the entire problem where they are given to find out. Okay. Look at this. S equal to j omega, S equal to j omega, S equal to j omega, S equal to j omega. Second step is if k is present, you just put k equal to 1 across of them. So g of j omega equal to k is 1, no need to put. So j omega square by 1 plus 0, j into 0.2 omega into 1 plus j into 0.02 omega. These two steps are basic steps to solve this board plot equations. Okay, basically board plot equations having magnitude plot and phase margin or phase plot. We can have to derive these two titles for every board plot problem. Okay, now let us solve the magnitude plot. If you solve the magnitude plot, you must find out corner frequency from this step. Okay, this step having 1 plus s format, we have two 1 plus s format. Okay, அப்போ நமக்கு ரெண்டு கார்னர் ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி இருக்கு. 1 plus s எவ்வளோ இருக்கோ அவ்வளோ கார்னர் ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி இருக்கிறதா அர்த்தம். சரிங்களா? Here we have two 1 plus s at 2 1 plus j omega constant value multiplied by constant value. Now we make the corner frequency for those two brackets of s values. Corner frequency, corner represents c, frequency represents omega. So we have two corner frequencies, so 1 and 2. So omega c1 equal to, how to derive this? This 1, you just note it down my cursor, this 1 by this 0.2. We can get 5 radians per second. 1 by 0.2 is 5. So first corner frequency is 5 radians per second. How to derive the second corner frequency? Omega c2 equal to this 1 by 0.02. What's the value for this? 50. Unit is radians per second. So we got two corner frequency of this. Next, we want to derive a table of the magnitude plot. This table consisting 4 columns, terms, corner frequency with unit radians per second, slope, unit is decibel per decade, change in slope decibel per decade. Okay. Let us decide how many terms in this problem. Okay, terms in the sense, no need to put constant value. The s value takes to decide terms. Okay, here j omega of square is term, one term. Another two terms are there in denominator, 1 plus 0.2 j omega, 1 plus 0.02 j omega. These two values are in denominator. So you have to take these values as originality. Originality in the sense, it's being in denominator, so 1 by 1 plus j 0.2 omega, 1 by 1 plus j 0.02 omega. So we have 3 terms. For this term, we make corner frequency. Already we derived the corner frequency for these 2 terms. This term don't have a corner frequency because the corner frequency comes from 1 plus s format. This is not a 1 plus s format, this is s format. So this term don't have a corner frequency. Okay. We already derived or find out corner frequency 1 for this So 5 radians per second. For this 50 radians per second. So we solved this corner frequency. Next move on slope. Okay. Slope in the sense when the S domain is came across that both plot equation, there we have a slope. Okay. Wherever the S is present, you just put 20 plus 20 for that S. If S is numerator, you just put plus 20. If S is denominator, you have to replace minus 20 for that. But here we wrote 40. S having plus 20 multiplied by this power. So 20 into 2, 40. So we have plus 40. This S is present in denominator, so minus 20. This is also present in denominator, so minus 20. Next, move with change in slope. In first term having no change in slope, because if you want to derive the change in slope, it has some reference values. In first term have not any reference value, but second term have a first reference value of this term. Okay, we should take 40 minus 20, 40 minus 20, 20. You take this value minus this value. Already I told to you, if S is present in denominator, you put minus 20. Here the minus is left it down because it took mistake. Okay. Here one minus is there to solve. Okay. This 20 minus this 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So we make to derive this table. Come, let's go with next moment of this corner frequency. Okay. We have 4 categories. No, we don't have 4 categories. We make into 4 categories. That categories are 2 as a real value of corner frequency. Reference of this low corner frequency, we make one low corner frequency. Reference of this corner frequency, we make high, compare this corner frequency. So we make 4 corner frequency to derive this both that, because 2 values not to make a one graphical representation. For that purpose, we make a number of values. Okay, we have original 2 corner frequencies. You take a reference of this low corner frequency as much as low. You take reference of this corner frequency as much as high. Okay. Corner frequency 1 is 5, corner frequency 2 is 50. Below 5 is 0.5. Above 50 is, you make above value of corner frequency. Okay, just to put one corner frequency, 50 or 100. Okay.